Good evening, it's VJ Franz K doing a quick unboxing of the Lekato Percussion Sampling Pad PD705. As far as we can tell, this is another version of the popular HXW PD drum pad, which is known as one of the most economic drum pads that you can buy on the internet if you don't have the money for something more expensive like the new SPD-SX Mark II. I was using a different drum pad for a few years and sort of wore out some of the pads on it by playing, but I thought I would just pick this up on a Black Friday special. Here's the pad. Feels solid enough, and it is similar in arrangement to the SPD-SX and other recent drum pads. I got these drumstick covers for my favorite Hornets drumsticks. No longer available, but I still like them. I got these special drumstick tip covers, so wouldn't scratch the surface of the pads as with my last drum pad. So should be nice. Anyway. So we have the selector wheel parameter and the click wheel here. Is that a scratch? Let's see. Yeah, the control panel looks a bit scuffed. Wonder if this is a used unit. Anyway, feels all right. Maybe that's the plastic, the protective plastic there. What's in here? Probably power adapter. Oh, different local power adapter. Plugs. Let's hope this is United States. All right. There we go. Snaps on. Got to admit, I'm not used to seeing a new product this dirty. All of this dust and such on there, but was a discount. On the back we have inputs of the two MIDI jacks. That's interesting. I wonder why that is that way. But there are the mounting things on the bottom. It's an adapter for the headphones, master volume, main out, auxiliary, MIDI in, MIDI out, Standard. Feels fairly heavy, solid enough. The proof will be in the sound, or as the case may be, I'll probably be often using it to trigger other sound modules, as I did with my previous inexpensive pad. Eventually I'll get an SPDSX, but this is fine until then. I'm not really a drummer, just sort of a casual percussionist doing these things every now and again, but it's fun to trigger and loop with some drums, and we can load on samples onto this unit through the USB connection. That's basically it. Standard things. Tune in for the second part of the video when I'm going to have it all connected up. For the sound, I'll probably do some looping with my SP505 or RC505. Classic looper. Even though there is a looper built in, you can record the MIDI notes of you drumming, and then it remembers them and keeps looping that. So you can build up your own percussion groove. We'll try that eventually. And bring in some of my own samples. Try it with the Electron machines. Get some interesting drum sounds out of it. Thank you for watching. Please tune in to the next episode. Please subscribe to VJ Franz K on YouTube.